We are now going to show you the EasyTrust Syphilis Rapid Screen Test using a blood diagnosis, and this is the container that it comes in. So what we'll do is take out the contents and look at what's inside. Inside the container you'll find the full instructions on how to use the test and the actual kit itself, which comes in a sterile foil container with the expiry date on the outside. So we won't go through the instructions, I'll just demonstrate this for you today. We open this up and look at the contents. Now inside you have the test card itself, you have the lancet for generating the blood sample, diluent, and also the pipette. So what to do at the very beginning is to open up the test card and lay it out on a flat surface. So we'll do that now. We lay that out here. Now you'll see here on the test card itself there is a well to place the sample of blood and also the diluent, and the results will be shown inside here. So what we then do is prepare the finger. We do that by first using the alcohol pad to sterilize the inside of a finger is a good location, and then we take the lancet and we prime the lancet. To do that we need to push it in here until it clicks and then turn the key. So when you hear that click you know it's primed. Now we need to turn this twice and remove it. And we just pull it out like that. So the needle will now come out of that place once it's against your finger. So we place this against your finger here and push this knob here. So you hear that now. This has now created a small sample ready for you to place on the test container. So we wait 10 or 15 seconds until we get the sample, and then we place it on this container here. So we use the pipette to draw it off and place it on that well, and 1 or 2 drops is usually all that you need. So we'll do one more drop of blood just to show you, and there it is on the well. That's all we need to do. Then you take the sterile pad and just clean off your finger, and then we take the diluent, which will be used to carry it across the test well, and place it in the very same well that you see here. So just 2 or 3 drops is all we need, and that's been done now, and then we'll need to wait about 5 minutes to see the results. So just to pick up the test card and give you a close-up view, we should leave this flat on the table and not touch it for 5 minutes, but for the purposes of demonstration I just want to show you that the diluent is carrying your blood sample across to the control. So we'll leave that flat on the table for another minute, and I'll show you the instruction sheet here while we're waiting. So the instruction sheet for syphilis comes in English, and it's available here with the results that you can see, positive, negative, and the limitations. Alright, so what you need to do is read this thoroughly, and then you can know what to do with interpretation of the results. So it's only been 1 minute, but already we can see a faint line here on the control card. This will become stronger after 5 minutes, but I wanted to show you this for the demonstration. You can see here there is a small C on the container, and this single line here is the control line. A positive result for syphilis would mean a second line on the inside. Okay, so a positive result is 2 lines, a negative result is 1 line. So that's the result that you see for a negative result.